So hello guys, this is my Dominar 400. You see it has completely opened, and what has happened to it, I'll share it with you the history. So I was facing the issue with my ABS, and the issue was actually it was running fine for a while, and after 15 to 20 kilometers I used to see the ABS lights turning on, which is on the fuel tank, right? So what I have done was I have initially checked the sensor. So this is the very first step to check the ABS issue. Check these cables and clean the sensor first. This one and the other one on the front side, I'll show you. Yeah, this one. This is the sensor, and after cleaning the sensor, if you are still facing the same issue, then the second troubleshoot would be to check this ring. This is actually the ABS plate. If it is bent or any damage on that plate, then the sensor will not be able to sense it properly, and then ABS is going to fail, and you will see the ABS light is turning on always, and it is not working. So in my case, I have actually replaced this sensor and also the plate, and eventually still I was having an issue with the ABS. Later on, I discover or I noticed on the internet that most of the Dominar people are having the Dominar are having the same issue is with the this ABS motor which is placed here. This is actually the ABS motor. In my case, I have already fixed it. I have got that repaired. I'll share with you guys how to repair that, right? So we need to open all this. You need to first open this rear seat, and then this rider seat, and then the tank. Underneath the tank you will need to open certain more parts, and then then you have to open this coolant and also the fan. You will be losing up on all the coolant liquid, because if you will not open this thick pipe, you will not be able to remove the fan. So after removing that fan, you will be losing the coolant, and then you have to put down the fan, and then only there are 4 bolts beneath. From there you will if you loosen up, then you will be able to take out this ABS motor. So this is the ABS motor. This is how it looks right after opening it from the bike. So what you have to do is these 2 nuts would be tightened here. You have to open it, and to open that you would need certain type of tools that I don't remember what it is called, and after that you need to pull it up. This would be completely sealed packed. Once you open it, this is what it rotates continuously. Then what happens is, in a Dominar, most of there are actually 2 carbons. One is here, which I have removed to plug into my ABS motor, and then this is the another one. So mostly in Dominar, this right side carbon would be worn out. This one you see, this is actually shortened, worn out. The length would be completely until here, right? So we need to arrange this carbon. This is DC motor carbon. We need to arrange that and replace it. So in that case, if we find this carbon, then we do not have to replace the complete ABS unit. We can repair that. After replacing this carbon, just close it the way it was. You have to seal pack it properly. We have to ensure that no air leakage is there inside, and then tighten these bolts. Once it is done, you can reassemble it back to your bike, and that is what happening on my bike. So I have replaced the carbon in my ABS motor here, and they are about to reassemble the bike back to its position after cleaning it entirely from inside. And I will not be able to probably show it if it is working or not, because this video I'm not going to make it longer. I will probably make another new video where I will be showing if it is properly working or not. But yeah, this is the common troubleshooting for the ABS motor, irrespective of the bike that you have, because this issue is very common after running it for 5 to 6 years. And yeah, mostly on the Dominar, what I have noticed is most of the people from my group has replaced their motor. They also identified that one side of the carbon is worn out. So if you are probably lucky one to arrange the DC motor carbon, then then you can fix that. Thank you.